Where are we at, huh? Where are we at? Smoop, we're home.
We're home, Snoopy. We're home.
My mind is made up, won't ever change. And no matter
We're back home in Indiana for a little bit before we go on vacation. We have some stuff coming up we can't wait to share with you guys. But for now, we are home. We're enjoying our time being home with family and friends. And we'll be here for just a little bit. And we'll keep you guys updated about what's going on there. But this morning, we're doing something that is not so fun. We had a house several years ago, and we've kept some of the stuff here at Steph's parents' house. And today we get to go through some of our old stuff, organize it, and we have some updates for you guys. But for now, this morning, we're gonna go through some of our old stuff. We thought we'd show you guys what all we have left from the house, because we didn't get rid of everything.
What you got?
Totes, totes, totes. Totes my goats.
Remember living out of those?
Yeah, I mean, we still do in a lot of ways.
Kind of.
They're just
Fewer totes.
happen to be in the camper.
I need caffeine, snacks, and loud music. Oh, we got this.
Here's some packing juice.
Packing juice.
Yeah.
I was gonna go with #1 grandma mug today, but instead I went with the nephew. I want to preface this by saying a couple things. One, thank you to my parents for letting us store our junk here for the past several years and continuing to hopefully for the next couple years too. I'll slide that one in there. Two, don't judge us too harshly because this stuff is a mess and that's completely our fault. Also, don't judge my parents' house. They have a gorgeous 1800s house that they have basically remodeled since I was a kid to make it like historically accurate. But they just had some plaster work done, so everything's got a little coating of dust on it.
It is a really neat house.
They do have a really neat house. I was very fortunate growing up here. They're kind of wrapped up so you can't see them. But Mike and I have been married for 9 years as of this month. I decided to be a crazy person and make all of the flowers for the wedding. And when I say I don't mean that I did it all. My mom was a saint, the girls in my wedding, my friends, my family, but we made every single flower that was in the wedding. So all these are paper flowers. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. It was way too much. Of all the stuff we kept, I think it is comprised mostly of 2 things. What do you think?
Books and Christmas stuff for some reason.
Without rehearsing that beforehand, that's exactly what I thought he was gonna say, because this is miscellaneous stuff. But all these totes back here, I think even the top one, I think almost all these totes back here are Christmas decorations.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I think the bottom one might not be. And then there's books. I'm gonna show you just a touch of the books that I have. This doesn't look too bad, it's not a ton of books. But then there's stacks of books here, that's full of books. And if I spin this way, books. All books, with books stacked in front of books. And then there's another bookcase in the other room, and then a handful that are in the camper right now. Good news is, one of my best friends is opening a bookshop, which I am very excited about, and he's gonna get some of the books. Not all of them, but some of them.
A lot of them. Ooh, it looks better.
Oh, better.
We still have a lot of stuff up here though.
A lot of stuff. A lot of this is like my childhood stuff too. I was looking at it and I'm like, oh boy. Yeah.
You good?
I think so. Just gonna dust and sweep a little bit.
That was fun, right?
That was fun. Happy to be home? Are you happy to be home?
You might hear some background noise as well. It is harvest season. We're in Indiana during harvest season, so you might hear a few combines go by.
And you might hear a little tickle in my throat because I'm still allergic to everything in Indiana, apparently.
So we got the upstairs cleaned up the best we can. We get a lot of questions about what do we do with all of our stuff, and we got rid of most of it, but we still did have some stuff upstairs.
Lots of books and Christmas decorations.
And still have some stuff.
That's a never-ending project. You're always purging the stuff that you still have, and you're always purging in the camper because there's only so much room for stuff. We are home in Indiana. If you have not been here with us in Indiana before, we are fortunate enough to be able to mooch dock at my parents' house. Thanks, Mom and Dad, again. We'll show you guys in the upcoming weeks our mooch docking setup because it is pretty unique and it works out pretty great for us.
Yes, it does. We love being here on the farm. Callie loves being here, and yeah, it works out.
The only bad thing already is that it's a little chilly.
Yeah.
But
it's November, and if you guys are feeling that cool air that's settling in, make sure you check us out in the next video. We're going to be taking you on vacation with us. We'll be leaving our camper here, and we'll be sure to try to get you guys warmed up a little bit.
Oh, we're going to warm you up. It's going to be nice and warm.
All right, what else is going on here?
We do have some big upcoming projects. As per usual, we have no idea of our upcoming plans. You guys know how we roll. We got here, we know we're going on vacation, and after that, we're not really sure.
We are going to spend the holidays at home. We have some big camper projects that we are so excited to share with you guys coming up. Lots of adventures around the Indiana area. Callie's excited. You can see how thrilled she is right now.
Callie's afraid we're gonna leave her, although I think she'd be happy here, but she is just contently sitting beside us right now.
She's also a little chilly.
We do have one really big upcoming project. We've held this one kind of close to our chest for a while, and I'm sorry if we've teased it for a while, but I'm really excited to share it with you. I'm really excited to get it finished.
So make sure that you guys are subscribed and following along, because we are going to be doing camper stuff. Next week we're going to take you on vacation with us, and then we're going to be right back in the camper to share with you guys some camper projects.
Thanks for hanging out again this week, you guys. What is something that you've tried to get rid of in the past and you can't get rid of?
Oh,
like my books, my Christmas decorations.
The one thing that you can't get yourself to get rid of. How about that?
How about that?
Maybe something that's in storage still?
Maybe.
All right, let us know down below, guys, and we'll catch you next time.